you just totally ruined it.
I
oh my god. You asshole, you shouldn't. That was totally like epic. That was so much fun what we just did, dude. And Katie's moments. Yeah, being terrified again in my house. Right. Now we're gonna try again for Belch.
I think I just need to wait. Get out of here.
I don't wanna. I don't wanna.
I'm trying.
Please! Do you need another can of...
Huh?
Do you need another can of soda? You go get another can of soda. Just gonna go get another can of soda. This should be interesting.
Yeah.
Into my fridge.
Yeah, Mom's gonna freeze.
Oh my god, Mountain Dew. I need to stay out of your fridge.
And back to the chair in my kitchen. Ooh, excuse me. You're weird. Let's go to Katie. Hi, Katie. Yeah, this is the first time. She's been in my house. So.
There's like no caffeine in here, right? Yeah, caffeine free. Okay, I'm not gonna die.
Caffeine's good.
Caffeine is really good.
It makes my heart go like this.
Sure it is. That's what it's supposed to do.
It makes my heart go like this, and then it goes. And then it goes. And then.
And then it goes. And then she has random seizures and dies.
I do one of these. And then all of a sudden. And then all of a sudden. And then all of a sudden. Oh!
That used to happen to me. I didn't know it was caffeine. I did have like 2 rock stars like in the course of an hour once.
Yeah, I had like 3 energy drinks at once. I think she was there. I don't know. It was a party or something. We all got like high off of Monsters and everything. So we were like...
Are you like talking to the camera?
I am talking to the camera! I want to talk to the camera!
I can't cross my eyes good.
I'm totally gonna like...
Again!
I can even go the other way. Ready?
Wait, what? Do it. That is awesome!
Do it again, it was creepy.
That's amazing. I can do this. It's really nothing.
I can punch you with my nose and tail. Ready? I can't do it.
At least you tried.
I can get like right up under
Wait.
She's like getting so excited and then
Oh.
A bump of the night.
No, I totally feel it. I can totally feel it. Wait. It's coming. Wait.
Talk.
Wait, ready? Stop. Ready? Stop zooming.
I'm not zooming. I zoomed away. I zoomed away, then I zoomed in.
Stop zooming. Look, you got rid of the fucking better.
How's it my fault that your bodily functions don't work?
It fucks with the sound, because when you listen to this, you're not going to be able to hear the burp. So when I'm burping, you're going to be like, zoom in, and the sound is going to go away, so no one's going to hear it. My mouth go.
You freaking rattle the fucking sound barrier. I'm pretty sure you're going to hear it over the beeping.
Absolutely. Want to zoom up on that? There you go. Uh-oh.
My mommy's home! It's okay, he's gonna hide as she beats my mommy. Let's go greet the mama.
What's with her?
Which you probably won't, so I bother. Hi, Mommy!
Sorry, no brats allowed in my house.
Oh, Danielle's here too. This is Katie. She's a cool brat.
She's a cool brat?
She's a cool brat.
I thought it was just my brat over there that was here.
Don't worry, I'm not using your mom.
You better not be.
I know, right? Oh,
that's cause for total destruction.
Back of my mommy. The back of my mommy.
Yeah, don't just get my hair because it's terrible.
This is a video. I'm gonna get your hair either way.
Why are you making a video of me? I look terrible.
Because we're attempting to get Casey to belch like a beast, and it's not working out too well.
I ain't close to belching, but it's...
That is real classy.
She did one.
She out of the room.
It's funny though. She did one earlier, and it was like, oh, bleh.
It was crazy.
Beep. It's Missy! Look at that, it's sister. Hello, say hello. Fine.
Who's got the telephone?
Oh, I think it's in the living room.
There is one in the living room. What's your father's cell phone number?
Darcy Blues!
508. Yep.
They're all anxious.
Yep. 1633. Whoa, hello. Oh, whoa. Do you want to do that again? 508. Yep. 735.
She's not perfect at all, so you know that like 10 minutes from now she's just gonna have this vlog.
Okay, shh.
Don't tell Belch while I'm on the phone.
You can do whatever you do. So, I don't think she'd have a problem with that right now.
Hi.
What are you doing?
This week?
Oh no. She's trying to have her fingers be gay.
Because I gotta pay my
Get
mom.
Disney stickers.
Oh my fingers.
Oh my god! Okay, show the Disney stickers. Show the awesome Disney stickers. Oh my god. That's awesome. Okay.